What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Financial Pro. Please subscribe, comment below. Today, we're going to talk about how to make money on OnlyFans. A lot of people think it's just about semi-nude photos and strippers and things like that, but it's much more than that. It wasn't even created based on that in the first place. But you can do that. You have a lot of followers. You can charge for photos, things like that. It's a side hustle. A lot of these celebrities jumping on there. And let's talk about, I should have been made a video about this. I just haven't had time. But here we go. OnlyFans is a social media website where creators charge a monthly fee for fans. And you can tip them, anything like that, or pay for it, different things, PDFs, ebooks, pictures, etc. So OnlyFans is very popular in the adult area, like I just said, but it's much more than that. Getting started, OnlyFans is a premium social media site. Every creator profile has the following tabs: posts, photos, videos, audios, likes, and fans. Let's see. Of course, you have to be 18 years or older to be on OnlyFans. You have accounts such as fitness coaching, cosplaying, travel blogging, DIY tutorials, beauty, gaming, adult content, recipes and cooking tips, funny videos, influencer vlogs, and modeling. You have all these different accounts. These are ideas you can make your money on, side hustle. So you guys create your account. If you have a great idea, get on there. Just like on YouTube, but on OnlyFans, you have fans, people following you, tipping you, or buying different products from you. Let's see. They have different attachments you have on here. You can charge for, and this is a blog I'm reading from. Receive tips, send messages. Wow, you can send messages to your followers or fans. Let's see. You don't have to have your real name on there, but if you have a great following on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, why not? So they have Amazon Wishlist. You add your bank account, this and that. And it's not about sex workers on there. It's much more than that. A lot of people have this stigma where it's all about the sex industry or adult industry, and it's really much more to that. For example, you could sell or get tips on workout plans in a PDF format, which is cool, a meal plan in a PDF format, physical recipe books, photos and videos, products that you own and sell to your OnlyFans. When selling to OnlyFans, create a tip menu and list your items for sale plus the tip fee. Pin your menu to the profile and tell your fans. So you know what? I might create one because I'm an author. I might sell my ebooks on there and try to get tips for it, or a certain price plus tips. I can do that on there because PDF format. I wonder if they can have another type of format that's more secure, but a lot of people read better on PDFs. Let's see. If you're selling digital products, keep them in a specific document folder so you can upload them quickly. If you're shipping physical products, use a tracking shipping service. Cool, that's nice. Let's see if anything else I can give you guys. Link a domain name to your OnlyFans account. Wow, that is okay. Put my blog on there. I can link my blog to my OnlyFans account, sell my ebooks, and get tips. Cool. Interact with your fans. You can buy a domain and have it redirect to your OnlyFans account so it's easier to remember. Schedule your content. You can schedule your content that you upload. Be consistent. Be patient. Hook your subscribers. Create a custom welcome message. Let's see. Create a sizzle reel promotional video. Listen to feedback. Promoting your account. You can promote your account on any social media platform. And I'm going to tell you guys why the adult industry is number one for OnlyFans. The adult industry is the oldest industry business in the world. Sex sells. Sex will always sell. Um, that's one of the pleasures in life when two people get together, or more than that. But when two people love each other, they get together and create magic. That's why it's so powerful, and it will always be the number one seller in the world because that's just how it is. You know, it's the oldest industry and it will continue. But you guys, let me know what you think. Do you have an OnlyFans account? And can you add some more tips in the comment section? Please subscribe. I'll see you guys next time on Financier Pro YouTube channel.